Do you remember your first day at a new school, or maybe your first English class? You walk in, you sit down, and someone tries to talk to you, and you just don't know what to say.
That feeling is so real. You understand a little bit, but the words just don't come out. And then it gets quiet and awkward, and you just look at your notebook.
Yes, we have all been there. But here's the thing, school conversations are actually not that complicated. You just need the right phrases.
And that's exactly what we're going to give you today. This is English conversation practice for beginners.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the Easy English Podcast. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike. So glad you're here with us today.
This channel is all about helping you speak real English, not perfect English, not textbook English, real, everyday English, the kind people actually use.
And today we have such a good topic. If you're a student, if you work at a school, if you have kids in school, this one is for you.
Let's get into it.
Okay, so today we're talking about English conversations at school.
Yes, and I love this topic because school is one of the first places where people need to use English in real life.
Exactly. You meet new classmates, you talk to teachers, you ask questions, you work in groups. There's so much talking that happens at school.
And if you don't have the vocabulary for it, it's really stressful. You feel left out. You feel like everyone else knows what's going on and you don't.
So today we're going to cover the most important school conversations. Meeting new classmates, talking to your teacher, asking for help, working in a group.
All the situations you actually face, with simple, real phrases you can use right away.
Let's start with the very beginning, meeting someone new at school.
Okay, so imagine it's the first day of class. You sit down next to someone you don't know. What do you say?
A lot of people just sit there and say nothing because they're nervous. But honestly, a simple hi changes everything.
Let's show them. Mike, pretend you just sat down next to me.
Okay. Hey, is this seat taken?
No, go ahead.
Thanks. I'm Mike. Are you new here?
Yeah, it's my first week. I'm Sarah.
Nice to meet you, Sarah. What class is this?
I think it's English, room 204, right?
Yes. Okay, good. I'm in the right place.
Me too. I was so confused this morning.
Okay, so that was a very natural first conversation between two classmates. Did you notice how easy the sentences were?
Everything was short. Is this seat taken? I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you. What class is this?
Short sentences are your best friend when you're a beginner. Don't try to say everything. Just say one simple thing at a time.
And the conversation just flows. One sentence leads to the next.
Let's look at a few key phrases from that conversation.
First one is this seat taken? This is a very polite and natural way to ask if you can sit somewhere.
You can also say, can I sit here? Or even just, is anyone sitting here?
All three mean the same thing. All three are perfectly fine to use.
Second phrase, are you new here? This is a friendly question. It shows you're interested in the other person.
You can also say, is this your first time in this class? Or do you know anyone here?
Third phrase, nice to meet you. Classic, simple. Everyone knows this one. But make sure you actually say it. It makes a good impression.
And you can respond with, nice to meet you too, or just, you too, short and friendly.
Great. Let's keep going.
Okay, next situation, talking to your teacher. This one makes a lot of people nervous.
Yeah, I think because you want to sound respectful, you don't want to say the wrong thing.
But teachers are there to help you. That's literally their job. So asking questions is always okay.
Always. Let's do a classroom scene. I'll be the teacher this time.
Okay, good luck.
Good morning, everyone. Please open your books to page 15.
Excuse me, sorry, could you repeat that, please?
Of course, page 15. No problem.
Thank you. And, sorry, one more question. What's the homework for today?
The homework is to read pages 15 to 20 and answer the questions at the end.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Any other questions?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Okay, so really important phrases there. Let's slow down.
The first one is, excuse me. Always start with excuse me when you want to get a teacher's attention. It's polite and respectful.
Then, could you repeat that, please? This is gold, seriously. So many students are too embarrassed to ask a teacher to repeat something.
But it's completely normal to ask. Teachers expect it, especially in a language class.
You can also say, I'm sorry, I didn't catch that, Or could you say that again, please? Same meaning.
And then, what's the homework? Super important question. You need to know this.
You can also ask, is there homework today? Or when is the homework due?
Due means when do you need to give it in? When is it due is a very common school phrase.
Can we stop here for a second? Because I want to talk about something important.
Go ahead.
When you ask for help in English, especially from a teacher or someone older, it's nice to use could you instead of can you.
Right. Both are correct, but could you sounds a little more polite.
For example, can you repeat that is fine, but could you repeat that please sounds even better.
Adding please at the end also makes a big difference. It's a small word, but it changes the whole feeling of the sentence.
So try to remember, could you, please? It's your polite helper phrase.
You can use it everywhere. Could you help me, please? Could you explain that, please? Could you open the window, please?
Very useful. Okay, let's move on.
Okay, one more conversation. This one is really common. Group work. When the teacher says, okay, everyone, get into groups.
Oh, I remember this from school. Sometimes exciting, sometimes terrifying.
So true, especially when you don't know anyone. Let's practice.
Okay, I'll start. Hey, do you want to be in my group?
Yes, sure, thank you.
Great. Do you understand the task?
Not really. What are we supposed to do?
We need to read this text and answer 3 questions together.
Oh, okay, that sounds easy. Should I start reading?
Yeah, go ahead. I'll take notes.
Okay, and what should we do after?
I think we present our answers to the class.
Got it. Okay, let's go.
See how smooth that was? We worked together, we asked questions, we made a plan, all with really simple English.
Key phrases from that conversation. Do you want to be in my group? Friendly and direct.
Do you understand the task? Great question when you're not sure if your partner knows what to do.
What are we supposed to do? This is a very useful phrase. Supposed to means what is expected of us. What is our job?
You can also say, what do we need to do? Or, what's the task? Simpler, same meaning.
And got it. This is a casual way to say, I understand. You'll hear it a lot in English.
Got it. I see. Okay, makes sense. All casual ways to say you understand.
Okay, let's look at a few more quick situations you might face at school.
Situation 1. You're late to class. You walk in, the teacher is already talking. What do you say?
You knock, you open the door slowly, and you say, I'm sorry I'm late. That's it. Simple, honest.
You can add a reason if you want. I'm sorry I'm late. I missed the bus. But even just, I'm sorry I'm late is enough.
Situation 2. You don't understand something the teacher explained. What do you say?
You raise your hand and say, excuse me, I don't understand. Could you explain that again, please?
Or even simpler, sorry, I'm a little confused. Can you help me?
Both are totally fine. Teachers love when students ask for help. It shows you're paying attention.
Situation 3. You want to borrow something from a classmate, a pen, an eraser, some paper.
You say, excuse me, can I borrow a pen? Easy.
And your classmate might say, sure, here you go. Or, sorry, I only have one.
And you say, thank you. Or, no problem, thanks anyway.
Thanks anyway. This is what you say when someone can't help you, but you still want to be polite. Really useful phrase.
Write that one down. Thanks anyway. You'll use it a lot.
Okay, practice time. Get ready to speak. Say these sentences out loud. Don't just read them, say them. Use your voice.
Your English improves so much faster when you speak out loud, even if you're alone, even if it feels a little silly. Do it.
Ready? Repeat after us.
Is this seat taken?
Nice to meet you.
Could you repeat that, please?
I don't understand. Can you help me?
What are we supposed to do?
I'm sorry I'm late.
Can I borrow a pen?
Thanks anyway.
Do you want to be in my group?
Got it. Let's go.
Amazing. You just practiced 10 real school phrases. That is something to feel good about.
If you said them out loud, even quietly, you are practicing like a real English speaker. Keep doing that.
Before we wrap up, a few small tips to help you sound more natural at school.
Tip 1. Don't wait for the perfect moment to speak. There is no perfect moment. Just say something simple and start.
Hi is enough to start a friendship. Seriously, one word.
Tip 2. It's okay to say, I don't know. Students sometimes feel embarrassed to say this, but I don't know is honest and normal.
You can even say, I'm not sure, but I think, and then give your best answer. Teachers like when students try.
Tip 3. Use people's names. When you learn someone's name, use it. Thanks, Mike. Good idea, Sarah. It makes people feel good and it makes the conversation more personal.
Such a small thing, but it really works.
Okay, here's our question for you today, and we really want to hear from you.
Think about school. Your school right now, or a school you went to before. What was the hardest part about speaking English there?
Or tell us one school phrase you learned today that you're going to use. Write it in the comments.
Even one sentence. I learned. Could you repeat that, please? That's a great comment.
We love reading your comments. It motivates us so much, and it helps other learners too when they see your practice.
So don't be shy. Write something. The Easy English Podcast community is a kind and supportive place.
The best comment section on YouTube. I truly believe that.
Huh, agreed. 100%.
Okay, that's everything for today's episode of Easy English Podcast.
We covered so much. Meeting classmates, talking to teachers, working in groups, borrowing things, being late, real school life in English.
And I hope you feel a little more confident now, because you should. These phrases are simple. You can learn them, you can use them.
Language learning is a journey. Some days are easy, some days are hard. But every single day you practice, even just a little, you get better.
And you showed up today. You watched this video. That is not nothing. That is progress. So be proud of yourself. Really.
If this video helped you, please give it a like. It helps more people find our channel and start learning too.
And subscribe if you haven't already. We have so many more episodes coming, and we really don't want you to miss them.
We'll see you in the next one. Take care, everyone.
Bye.
Bye-bye.